Good morning, geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I've been out at the Providence Inn at Yeddingham just checking out whether there's a good drop-in point for the River Derwent here for a kayaking trip, because there's also a campsite here. I did wonder whether it'd be a doable one. Anyway, by the by, I'm on my way through to Filey, which is why I thought I'd drop off here on the way and have a look. And also at Brompton on the way through, there are 2 or 3 geocaches. Might as well have a look, eh? Let's go! Parked up, I'm about 190 metres away. Just to let you know, I am recording this on my phone today, so if the footage is a bit jerky than normal, that's why. Yep, I forgot to bring the SD card for my DJI Osmo. Doh! Anyway, let's go. Alright, the car's over there, but we're heading over here. Might be a bit breezy on the microphone, might be a bit jerky. We'll have to see how this turns out, eh? Now, Brompton is one of those pretty little villages. Looking at this, about 130 metres away. Down here, I believe. That beautiful little garden caught my eye on the way past. Nice. Yeah, not far to go now. I think, yeah, this is the church, All Saints Church. Found it. Not going to show you the whole thing because it's quite a clever one, this one. It's going to get a favourite point from me. Good thing is, because of its location, very nice dry log. Right, signed it, logged it, popped it back. On to the next one. And there's one about 400 metres away from where I am now. So it'll be back to the car and a little bit beyond, I think. Let's go looking. Yeah, it is a lovely little village, this. There's the village hall. I'm going to go back a slightly different way. So I'm going to miss the car. Not sure what that building is. Centenary, 1978. So 1878 and then a centenary at 1978. Yeah, there is a sign, but I can't read it from here. And I do need to make a bit of progress, so I'm not too late seeing my mum. It is her birthday after all. Ah, found what this building is. It's the primary school. There's a local pub, Cayley Arms I think it's called. Looks like you might be having a bit of work done. We're heading up here, about 200 metres away. There's an old forge over there. This house used to be owned by some friends of my mum's, and every so often I'd come out and have a go on the sit-on lawnmower and mow all the grass that was around that house. And that was my first real go on a motorised vehicle, and I loved it. About 60 metres away. I'm pleased to say I found this one too. I'm only going to show you a little bit of it, because it's quite a special one, is this one. Good work, cache owner. Right, I've signed it, logged it, popped it back. There's another one about a couple of 100 metres away. You're rude not to, right? So now I'm just heading up Sawdon Lane, leaving the main road behind me for a little bit. So hopefully a little bit quieter. Whoa, tempting. In here. Look at that. I haven't got any money with me though. Otherwise I'd be quite tempted to have half a dozen. Whew. Now this one should be one of those relatively easy finds. And the reason I say that is because the hint is national speed limit. And that kind of whittles down areas where you should look, really, doesn't it? Found it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Right, I've signed it, logged it, and popped it back. There are a collection of geocaches all the way up this lane. I'll just put a little image on the screen so you can see what I mean. So you can see the 3 that I've done this morning. I'm calling it a day there. because I really need to go and see my mum and I don't want to leave you too late. But yeah, I'll come back another day and have a go at some of these others, because I do like a nice series. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. It's only been a short one, I think. Didn't take an awful lot of footage. If you have, you know what to do. If you don't like it, you know what to do. As always with these geocaching videos, I don't do full reveals. I don't think that's fair. But when I show you the cache, that's all it is. And what I often do, I don't know whether you've noticed, is I do often not show you quite the right location. So I might show you the cache, but not with the camera pointing at where I found it. I think that makes it a bit more fun. Alright, that's all for now. You take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and smash that bell button if you want to see more of these. Alright, you take care. Cheerio.
Bird feed with it? Oh,
Yeah.
cheers.
I thought it'd go on your little, I've got the several feeders in there actually, and I thought they'd go on your little hangy thing, on your bird thingy outside.
Oh, that's so cute.
Little seedy one.
I like it.